Several justices of the High Court and the Tax Appeal Tribunal gathered at Serena Hotel in Kigo to take part in a two-day training exercise aimed at equipping them with the right skill and to help them widen the information gap on taxation law, policy and administration. The training, organized by the Uganda Revenue Authority, was held under the theme Developments in Tax Law, Policy and Administration, delivering Uganda to economic independence.
The economic independence status of our nation can only be achieved through solidifying our policies, laws and administration of tax. As we aim to significantly scale down donor dependence, it goes without saying that the task ahead of us requires a concerted effort in cultivating a tax-paying culture.
According to Uganda Revenue Authority, Uganda's gross domestic product GDP ratio currently stands at 13%, which is less than the average ratio in the sub-Saharan region, which is between 16% to 20%, and a lot more needs to be done to see to it that the country achieves economic independence.
Our target is to reach 20 to 21% by the financial year 2024-2025.
Our neighbors are achieving this. I've just been to Kenya last week, and they are collecting 95% of their national budget. This is possible if our neighbors can do it next door.
As of the 31st of January 2022, there are approximately 350 taxation cases that are still pending, holding up over 1.2 trillion shillings. Principal Judge Flavian Zasia, who was officiating the opening ceremony, explained what needs to be done to reduce the revenue case backlog.
I think one of the aspects we need to do is prioritization. We can prioritize cases to do with the revenue and have them disposed of. Either, cases go either way. When you are adjudicating, you can find maybe URA is wrong or the taxpayer is wrong, but it is important that that case is concluded either way.
Alternative dispute is one of the major methods that has been adopted to resolve the bulk of cases in different courts in the country, and although the body has resolved and retrieved a sizable amount of money, the Commissioner feels more needs to be done.
Our judgments and decisions will be guided by data, and that we hope will reduce the number of cases that come to you. We hope to have more accurate assessments from the technology initiatives we are deploying.
Tax Appeals Tribunal opened its doors to the public in May 1999. The tribunal is mandated to hear and rule on cases pertaining to tax complaints brought forward by taxpayers and/or URA before further adjudication by a higher court in case of appeal by either litigant. Bernadette Appeal for CTV PM Edition.